So I just boiled some chicken thighs for about 40 minutes. And now I'm going to take them out and chop it in a couple pieces. Not a couple pieces, but chop it in some small pieces. And take the bone off because it does have the bone. And then put it back in with the vegetables. Oh, it doesn't have the bone. Oh, I thought they had the bone in there, but usually I shred it. Maybe I'll do both actually. Usually I shred it, but my daughter likes bigger chunks, so I'll probably just leave it like that.
Oh, and then we can have our candy?
Yeah. So I took all the juice out, put it in this pan, so I can saute my onions and celery, and then I'll pour this broth back in with the chicken and the vegetables. So I'm gonna go on saute. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil. Wait till I get up there, okay? It's almost done, yep. Yeah? Huh? Okay. We gotta plug it into the TV. Now I'm gonna add this broth back in. I'm gonna add the chicken. Oh, shoot. I usually try to add the cream of chicken in first, just because it's hard to mix after the vegetables and the chicken are in the pot. Okay, so like I said, I usually do the cream of chicken first just so I like to whisk it to make sure there's no clumps. But I forgot to add it. I'm just adding cream of chicken. Mm-hmm.
Say it. Mama, can we have Oreos after?
Say it. I already said yes. It's almost lunchtime.
Yeah.
Soup's almost done.
Yeah, Mom. Say it said, can we have Oreos after?
Maybe.
Mom, why did you put a camera on Daddy's mirror?
So I did 2 of the big cream of chicken, and then I got 1 small cream of celery.
Mom.
Hmm.
Why did you put
I told you so we can watch the car.
No, I mean on Dad's mirror. Like in the living room.
Oh, because I was just cleaning.
Oh. Copy. I'm gonna put this plastic on you, okay? Cookie. So come in, so just pretend. Say silent.
So I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning.
I got the cookie.
Garlic powder. Onion powder. Imani, go give me the salt that's on the stairs. Pepper. And a little bit of salt. And then I also have peas that I'm going to be adding. Thank you, girl. So this is what it's looking like right now. Got our chicken thighs, celery, peas, carrots, and onion. Now I'm going to add the biscuits. These are the dumplings. Quick and easy way. I don't make them homemade. So I just take a little piece and just drop it in. So this is what it's looking like now that all the biscuits are in. It's basically done. I just need to cook the biscuits. So I'll cook this for about 20 minutes and then we'll be back.